cow!
Remove the 2 screws holding the corners in. If you have fender liners and a splash shield, you will need to remove those screws from the front bumper as well. Then remove the plastic clips and take the bumper up and off. Set it down somewhere you can have room to work around it. Don't hate me, I picked this up on Amazon because this is all that's left of my old one. It got brittle and fell off. We're actually going to use this U-clip and screw assortment from Harbor Freight because this will give the screws a place to live instead of just being screwed into plastic. The lip has pre-drilled holes. Check the fitment of the lip by stretching it over the bumper. It should be a tight fit. We are going to mark where we need to drill the holes. I'm going to use these number 8s because they're long enough to go through both pieces of plastic, then the clip. Drill the holes. You can choose if you want to do both per spot or just one per designated location. Then move to the edge.
So I've already got a couple holes here, which I'm going to try and stick with those rather than making new ones.
It's easiest to put the screw in a bit, then line up the 2 holes by looking, then drill the screw the rest of the way into the clip.
Okay, those are 8s. Hold the clip there without destroying it. Put the bumper back on in reverse order. Great job.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.